Hello, welcome to the Pola Pamungkas channel. Sumatra Island is the island with the second largest population in Indonesia after Java. This greatly affects the natural balance on the island of Sumatra. Unfortunately, this condition causes some of the native animals of the island of Sumatra to be threatened with extinction, such as the Sumatran tiger. Even though the existence of these animals is very vital for the natural ecosystem there, the Sumatran tiger is a species of tiger that lives on the island of Sumatra. Habitat ranging from lowland forests to mountain forests. They are the smallest tiger subspecies in the world, with a maximum length of 24 meters and a weight of 118 kilograms. In addition, National Geographic also mentions that the characteristic of the Sumatran tiger is a darker orange color that disperses other tiger subspecies. Unfortunately, this unique tiger is threatened with extinction due to the loss of their habitat. They are also often hunted, or are killed by the community because they are close to residential areas. The IUCN website says that it is estimated that only 400 individuals remain in the wild. Then, about 50 more live in zoos around the world. The Sumatran tiger is in critical status. In Indonesia, these animals are protected by Law No. 5 of 1990 concerning the conservation of living natural resources and their ecosystems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Also watch other videos that we provide for you. Like videos like this? Click the subscribe button to get the latest videos from us. Please leave your opinion in the comments on this video.